Welcome to Mojave KY. All right, so what are we talking about in today's video? We are talking about replacing these headlight covers on this 2006 with some nicer ones. So let's get to the video. All right, let's open it up. See how these look. Set one down there. Alright, looks pretty cool. That is gonna go right there. See, it's for the rings around the headlights. At some point we get a little bit more money, we'll do the headlights, but these black rings look really cool. I think they're going to make a nice difference on the front, so let's see what they kind of look like. Just get a visual. I think that's going to look cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and take these old rings off. If this don't work, which I think it will, I don't see any reason why it won't, but if this doesn't work, maybe I'll just plasti dip the stock ones. So let's see. Alright, so we're just going to use a Torx. It is a T15 that I'm using. And we're going to take the one here, here, and here out. And let's get to it. I won't make you watch all the boring part, but just so you can see. Just take them out. Alright, all the little screws are out. Let's just pull this guy out. That's it. So, I am going to keep this just in case I need something to fit, but I just have to clean this up if I needed to reuse it. So let's put the other one in and put the screws on and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the stock piece. And you can see, you know, hole there, hole there, hole there. These guys don't actually match up. So these two match up with these two. But if you look at the bottom one, these guys don't match up. Alright, I'm a dummy. There's a left and a right. So now these two match up, and this one matches up. I'm glad I thought of that instead of drilling into these suckers. So we're good to go. Let's put this on in the right spot, and we'll go from there. So dumb. So once you line up all the holes, this kind of one on the bottom here matches with that one, and then we get a match up there, and we get a match up here. So let's just set these in. Make sure you get them all matched up. Get it clicked into place. Still looks good. And now my screws match up. Alright, so let's just start on the other side. We'll take that one out. That one. And that one. And then it'll look just like the other side. And then we'll see what it looks like with both of them in. Well, there we go. I think that looks actually really sharp. Both of them black. Another little project done, little facelift. And next thing is we'll put those grill pieces in to really complete that front all black, at least for right now. Hey, well, I think that makes a big difference on that, replacing these old ones. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I really appreciate it. More to come. You'll see some additional blackout kind of pieces that we're putting on to do that silver and black that we have going with our Project TJ. So lots of other things planned on it. Got a few new things ordered. Still have a few things sitting on the kitchen table waiting to get installed, but we'll get to those soon. Hopefully you'll come back and watch us. Again, really appreciate it. little over 2,200 subscribers. So if you like content on the Jeep, I hope you subscribe. If not, I hope you just come back. All right, so all said and done, looks fantastic. Really inexpensive mod. We'll see how long it lasts. I guess that would be my only thing. Only gotcha that I was stupid about was that there is a left and there's a right. And I almost drilled a hole in the one because I didn't figure that out. But you'll see in the video, I figured that out just in enough time that we didn't have to do that. So appreciate you guys coming. Update for the channel. So we are still sitting at $153. We don't get a payment yet for a couple months, but just want to keep you up to date. I am planning to use the DynoWax money, any kind of money that we get back from DynoWax, one of our channel sponsors. So we do use the DynoWax in this video to clean up the car. And if you like that product, see down below in the description, there's a 15% off for DynoWax, and I'll also show you the product that I used. So I'm sure you noticed in the video, I did some cleaning up around. If you're interested in the product that I used, it's the DynoWax Show and Shine. We're sponsored by DynoWax. You guys get 15% off if you use my link below, so please use that if you're gonna go grab some DynoWax. I only get a discount on the product. They don't actually pay us to make any videos, but I really do like their product and I love their pricing, so take a look at their products. And the Show and Shine, you can tell, it definitely made a difference. And I'll do some videos on some of their products occasionally as I use them on the Jeep. All right, as always, thanks again. Keep modding.